Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch HBO Max content for free through a trial period, follow these step-by-step instructions to access this premium streaming service. Step 1. Visit the official HBO Max website by typing hbomax.com into your web browser or download the HBO Max app from your device's app store. Step 2. Check the homepage for any current promotional offers advertising free trials. HBO Max occasionally provides trial periods, especially during special events or new show premieres. Step 3. If a trial is available, click Subscribe Now or Start Free Trial to begin the sign-up process for new subscribers. Step 4. Create a new HBO Max account by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Make sure you're using an email that hasn't been associated with HBO Max previously. Step 5. Enter your personal information, including your name and postal code, as required by the registration system to complete your profile setup. Step 6. Provide payment information by entering your credit card or debit card details. Although you're starting with a free trial, payment information is required to continue access after the trial period ends. Step 7. Review the subscription terms carefully, noting the trial duration and the exact date when you'll be charged if you don't cancel before the free period expires. Step 8. Complete the registration and start streaming HBO Max content immediately, including exclusive series, movies, and documentaries. Set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends if you don't wish to continue with a paid subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.